Welcome to Deal.
I thought I might do things a bit different today. I'll film both arrival and departure this end of the platform. This is the 1511 Tunbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard. We got another DBSO. I didn't see one when I saw it last week in Tunbridge West Yard. Leading is 739626 my book. With 977969 999550 1256 and 6260. Where's 6261 then? 739664 Jeanette. And why do people think it is the public train? It does. He has stopped a bit far down. Crossing down. Junction set. The 1521 service from Tunbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard. Seven 3964 Jeanette. Seven 3962. That's loud. Right, 73's gone. Reset the junction. Raise the barriers. There we go. Okay, the 1539 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. 375916. Please note passengers travelling to Walmer, Martin Mill, Dover Priory, Sandling and Cluckley must travel in the front 8 coaches. 375610. Once again, passengers travelling to Deal, Walmer, Martin Mill, Dover Priory, Sandling and Pluckley must travel in the front 8 coaches. Passengers for Western Hangar must travel in the front 5 coaches. Okay, now leaving is the 1539 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. 310-5, 917, 610 and 918. The 1541 South Eastern service from Dover Priory to London Victoria via Faversham. 375614. On the timetable, it's under Dover to Faversham, where the systems have now put it under Dover Priory to Victoria via Ramsgate. Aren't we leaving? We're at 3 doors. Here we go. Oh. Here we go. Bring 75614 to London Victoria via Ramsgate and Faversham and Medway Towns. It's fun saying London Victoria here, because you don't get to say it often, especially via Faversham. The 1606 South Eastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. 375711. You can pick Radio 2 up on that air, as Del Boy said. 375711 to London Charing Cross via Dover, Ashford and Tunbridge. Lives Paddington and Tunbridge are out of view. The 1611 South Eastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate. 375805. Got this train is for Ramsgate. Why couldn't you find a system then? 375805 to Ramsgate. Now approaching for the second time is 1 Quebec 77, the 1614 service from Tunbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard. And he's on diesel. Dick Maverick. $73,964 Jeanette with $73,962 Dick Mabert to Tunbridge West Yard fired over and the rest of its circuit. Now approaching is the delayed 1553 Network rail service from Paddock Wood Keelan sidings to Paddock Wood Keelan sidings via Minster. DR 97802, the 602, the 502. Two Paddock Wood Keelan sidings via Minster. First time I've seen that moving, especially in the daylight.